How to change video size or aspect ratio in CapCut PC. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you change video size or aspect ratio using CapCut PC. So let's get started. First, as you have to open CapCut application on your PC or laptop. After you open CapCut, from there you'll have to just add any video whom you want to change the video size or aspect ratio. Right now, I'm selecting this random video. Alright, after you added a video on CapCut, you'll get this type of interface. From here, to change the ratio or aspect ratio, you'll have to come on the section like player. After you come on the section player, at the below of that video, you'll have to click on ratio. From this ratio section, you can manually choose your aspect ratio whom you want to change on that video, like 16:9. It is for YouTube, 4:3, 9:16. So right now I'm going with the option 16:9. Alright, as you can see, after I set the aspect ratio, the video size or aspect ratio is automatically changed. And from here, as I can directly resize this video for YouTube frames. So this is the easiest and simplest method to change the video size or aspect ratio on CapCut PC. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this. Have a nice day.